welcome to my channel, welcome back. So today I will be because I'm with you guys, we will be changing the color of my hair. Yes, I will be bleaching my hair. As you can see, I tried, I did like a 2-strand or a 2-lock test, and these are the results. So I hope it works, because if it doesn't it's supposed to be for a tutorial which I'll put in the link below, but if it doesn't, hasta la vie, because I will dye my hair black anyway. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. Voice over me.
For this video, we'd be needing a condemned shirt, rubber bands to pat your hand sections, and rubber gloves to protect your hands. A developer, mine is 12%, which is the highest.
From what I've gathered, it's the best for 4C hair. Mine's in Chinese, call me risky. So right after that, we get a cup to measure and get your dye applicators ready. These come in form of brushes and the bleaching powder. Also included is the purple shampoo, which does the following. According to the color wheel, purple cancels out yellow, and as opposed to blue shampoos, these are more effective. You'd also need your conditioners to revitalize your hair, oils as well, nylon shower caps or both, hair tint for intensity. God help me, because none of this is in English. It's 1 part powder to 2 part activator. So you mix that in together, and you should know it's ready when it looks like this and it's void of cocoa or balls. I like balls. So I decided not to use my applicators because I'm unruly and risky. So you apply from the strands, as you can see, the body actually, as you can see. So that's what I'll be doing first. You do 1 part to the back, then the side, then after that you can now go into the roots. And you make sure you massage and reach each lock. You cover each lock and each undergrowth like your life depends on it, because you do not want to have half bleached hair. That shit is nasty. Make sure you get that in there properly. As you can see, the color has already started to change. This is what it looks like finished. Then you cover up with your plastics. Let it sit for about 20 minutes or 30 if you're hardcore. These days, don't be like me. Apply oils all around your hairline so you don't get burns. You don't want this. And this is the result. So this is me straight out of rinsing. I'll just let my hands do the rest. Wasn't really necessary, but okay. As you can see, there's still a lot of brassiness, but we'll take care of that now. Yeah, I'll be going in with my Italian auntie Agatha, which is also in Russian but not English, and same process as before, but please tie your hair in sections so it'll be easier to distribute the hair dye. So yeah, basically that way, from the locks to the roots, basically you want to evenly distribute that and cover everywhere as much as you can. Use your brush if you want to. Don't be like me. Cover that up and give it 20 minutes.
Back from Goldilocks to this colored mess. So go in with your hair moisturizer, which you'd end up washing off, and the hair mask, and make sure you rinse off both because you have to. And that's the result. I mean, there are purples in there. There's still a little brassiness. There's some brown too, then there's some platinum. I mean, it's a mix. And if you're like me, your curl pattern would have probably gone to hell a bit. But what do you know? It's fashion. Nobody cares. So far, you look fabulous and fly, So one thing I need you to take home is that's what the back looks like, by the way. Yeah, you also have to oil your hair, actually. Please oil your hair, because your hair will be hella dry. Very dry. Ridiculously dry. So things I need you to take home.
Considering the length and thickness of my locks,
this is not a one-time process. It would probably take like 3 or 4 applications before my hair would be full-blown platinum or blonde. And locks are really hard to penetrate, especially when you have your locks for a long time. I've had my locks for about 10 months already, so I believe in 2 more applications I should be set. Please subscribe and turn on my post notification. I'll see you in my next video for an update. Bye.